Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I
Justice Aminuddin Khan
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
and I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as Judge of the Federal Constitutional Court of Pakistan,
that as Judge of the Federal Constitutional Court of Pakistan,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions
and perform my functions
honestly,
honestly,
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
and faithfully,
and faithfully,
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law,
That I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
that I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council,
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions.
that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions,
That I will preserve,
that I will preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and that
and that
in all circumstances
in all circumstances
I will do right
I
to
will
all
do right
manner of people
to all manner of people
according to law,
according to law,
without fear
without fear
or favor,
or favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or will.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help me and guide me. Ameen.
मनाज़िर आप इस वक्त देख रहे थे।